Gold retreats from fresh record highs above $3,750 an ounce as US PMIs and Powell loom. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. It's me. Hope you're doing well. So gold just had its best week since early March with a gain of 2.9%. It rallied to fresh record highs above $3,750 an ounce. However, today it's moving lower. The reason is simple. We have two major events this week that are going to impact gold and the entire precious metals sector. First is the release of the US PMIs and second is Jerome Powell's speech on Friday. Both will likely cause some volatility in gold, so here's what we know so far. Manufacturing and services PMIs for the month of June will be released on Monday and Wednesday, respectively. They are expected to show a continued strong demand despite higher interest rates. Now if the PMIs beat expectations, that would be bullish for the dollar and bearish for gold. If the PMIs miss expectations, that would be bearish for the dollar and potentially bullish for gold. However, the market is pricing in a very high probability of a rate hike in July, which means that even if the PMIs come in below expectations, it may not necessarily be positive for gold because the Fed may decide to hike rates by 50 basis points in July. Remember, the more rate hikes we get, the higher the likelihood of a recession. And if we look at the chart, we can see that historically gold prices decline during recessions or at least see a temporary decline before resuming higher. So the market really needs to digest all of this information. Now let's take a look at the technical picture. Gold did close above the previous all-time highs this past Friday. Technically speaking, this makes the previous all-time highs at around $3,760 an ounce a level of resistance. Speaking of breakout, silver is up over 8% for the week, which is incredible. It did break out to the upside above the previous all-time highs of $30. It is now consolidating. Support for silver is at $38.50, which is a previous resistance level. Now platinum group metals are also higher for the week with palladium leading the way with a 10.6% gain followed by platinum with a 5.2% gain. Now what do you think? Will we see gold resume higher or maybe take a breather? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.